Alrighty, season all gathered and ready to go. We got that garlic right there. We got that lime juice. We got that water and cornstarch. I'm not gonna mix those two so it's closer time to put it in. Got the jalapeno back there. I got the Swanson chicken broth. I didn't have any made, so I took the easy way out. I got the northern beans there. I got the corn, the cilantro, the onions. Got that meat church seasoning over here. Got that Texas chili seasoning in the back. We got that garlic and herb meat church seasoning. And we got that honey hog hot meat church seasoning. I can't wait till all this come together and see what this tastes like. We're just gonna add a little olive oil. We're gonna add our onions. And our peppers. I'll sweat these for like a minute maybe. And we're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna add our broth. And we're gonna let that come to a simmer. All right, we're gonna add our chicken. Stir that up. All right, we're gonna add some of this meat church garlic and herbs. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of this meat church Texas chili seasoning. I'm just gonna stir that, get that all mixed up. Smelling good, looking good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start adding our other ingredients. Those are the northern beans there. No particular order. Add our corn. Cilantro. Sour cream. Got our lime juice. And we got our cornstarch mixture. cornstarch and water mixture. I'm gonna mix that up a little bit. Yep, they're gonna last, and we're gonna add our cheese. I did watch the Meat Church video, but I didn't go directly line from line how he did it. I added stuff different, but still should turn out the same. And we're gonna bring this to a simmer. Let it simmer here a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it and put it on my smoker. Got that on the smoker. We're gonna let it sit here for an hour or two at the most, maybe 3, depending, we'll see. Just came off the grill. Been about 2 hours. Looking good. Smelling awesome. This dish is awesome.